The MSIM at UIUC has various tracks. So there are 4 tracks, and they are like data science and analytics. Then other is information security. Third is, I guess, knowledge management, and fourth is, I guess, the consulting. So, and it's not that if you take a particular track, you are not restricted to do anything else. It's just the track is just verbally said. It's not that it won't come on your degree, or it is not that you will be not able to access any other course. It is just for your reference that, okay, if you call it data science, then you would just take courses related to data science and customize the degree on your own or based on what you want to do. So as I took data science, so I just took courses which were more relevant to what data science is or what I wanted to do. And so that's how I would call it, as that I did the data science track. But then I was always allowed to take courses from consulting, and I also did that. Like I took one course of consulting, and I would still call the degree as I did the data science track. So it is pretty flexible here, and I think that is very important. Right now, like in my last semester, I've been just doing my courses. So usually, how typically your day would be, you will have your class, which would be around for 3 hours, at least for MSIM that I'm doing. Sometimes the classes are split between 2 slots, so they would be 1.5 hours each in 2 weeks. So on an average, you'll have 3 hours of classes into 4 or into 3. So it could be anything from 9 hours to 12 hours of lectures every week. So for MSIM, which I did, there are 3 mandatory courses which you will find on their website. The information modeling, data, statistics and information, and the third one was, I forgot the name, but yeah, there are 3 those mandatory courses. You have to do that. Apart from that, you have 7 other courses. So in all, you have to take 10, and 3 of them are mandatory, and the rest 7 you can choose from the iSchool, which is the School of Information Sciences, or you can choose 4 from the within the department of iSchool, or you can choose 3 of them, which could be anywhere from across UIUC. So if you want, you can take any course from a business school, or you can take any course from computer science department. So for MSIM, the most popular was data science and analytics, because I think 80% of the whole batch was into this track. So I have seen very few people who were into knowledge management or who were into information security, or there were few who were into consulting. So they took the consulting track, in which you have information consulting and similar courses. But the most popular was data science, and since we have a lot of courses related to data science, so you can just take that, and you might not face a lot of difficulties getting the courses based on availability. So yeah, first semester I would recommend for MSIM taking only 3 courses, but for engineering courses like CS or any other, they have to take only 2 courses. So because the 2 courses of the engineering department are more than enough to keep you occupied. Similarly for iSchool, 3 courses should be good enough. So you will have 3 assignments every week to do, and 3 projects for each of these course. So I think that is a lot to do for the whole semester. Okay, so like I said, the assignments and projects are pretty intense here. Like it's not that they are very difficult, but it's just that you need to spend some time, and you need to make sure that you're getting it right, whatever the professor is expecting out of that assignment. So if you do that, you usually score A in every assignment, so that is 100%. Only in some of the assignments you might score say 85 or 90, so but that's fine. So overall, you are graded cumulative based on the total of your assignments and the total of the final semester exam or the project. So it depends on every course or every professor how he wants to have the split of all the course grades. So in some of, usually it is like you have 50% weightage for all the assignments that you did. I would say 50 to 60%. Then there is a midterm called, yeah, there is a midterm that happens almost like in the halfway of the semester for every course. So that might have a weightage of around say 20%, and the final will have a weightage around 30%. So that comes to, yeah, the assignments would be anything around 50%. And so this is how they are graded.